Shit. Thought we'd never make it.
Hey, why don't you wait out here? Let me make sure it's all clear.
Screw that. There's a bunk calling my name.
All right, pretty much like we left it.
What? Not like there's much to steal. Just gonna reintroduce myself. Oh. Oh, thank God.
I'm gonna go out, find some shit for your arm. You get my bike. You gonna be okay?
Yeah. Good. Yeah.
I'll head over to that Nero checkpoint. They gotta have sterile bandages and
Wait,
painkillers.
don't leave my bike there.
No. I'm gonna be going out on foot while it's still light out.
Hey, I've got some ammo if you need it. In the footlocker by the door.
Thanks.
Hey, don't take my shotgun.
Boozer. All right. Here you go.
Thanks, brother. Just feel kind of naked without it.
Damn it, Boozer. Your arm's not gonna be fine. Son of a bitch. I gotta find something for his arm. Okay. Fuel can. I'm not taking Boozer's bike. I gotta get to mine before it gets dark. What the hell? Boozer, are you awake?
Yeah, Deke. What's up?
I just saw someone sneaking around the safe house.
What the hell? What's he doing?
No idea. I'm gonna follow him, see if there's some more where he came from. Deacon out. Yeah. I need these.
So what'd you find? It's just like I said. Those drifters we saw riding on the same bike, they're holed up, just up the road.
Yeah? No shit.
Hell of a setup. Some kind of lookout tower, got a fence and everything. Ours for the ticket.
Sounds pretty sweet.
I say when it gets dark, we go in, kill the sons of bitches, and then make ourselves at home.
You know they're gonna have guns.
Looked like one of them was pretty gimped up. We can take him.
Yeah. Fuck you guys. How's it going? What's that?
Something's out there. What the hell?
Okay. I can always use this.
अगर तुम सो गए तो तुम्हें पछताना पड़ेगा।
Mine now.
काम पूरा कर दिया? जरा देखूं तो। ये सभी सारे जवाब सही होंगे। इसका ब्रेन तो मेरे ब्रेन की कॉपी है, इसलिए मुझे शक है। काश किसी तरह मैं ये सारे जवाब चेक कर
A lot of ammo left.
इस रास्ता तो है, देख किसोगी।
Did you know that Deadpool gang is
That's the last of them. Must have followed us here. Sons of bitches. Stay the hell off Old Leary Mountain. Boozer, I found their camp. Just a few drifters looking to move in our safe house.
Like we were saying before, it's time to start thinking about heading north.
Let's get your arm fixed up and then worry about hitting the road. I'm gonna be heading to my bike. Deacon out. Topping off. Okay, here we go. Oh, damn freakers. Oh, damn rain. If it's not the freaks, it's the goddamn rain. Why is it always raining? Where the hell am I? I gotta be getting close. Gotta get to my bike. Getting closer. I gotta get close. Come on, baby. Where the fuck are you? This is it. This is where we left it.
अरे यार मैं तो टेक करना है।
My bike's gone. Fuck! Damn it, Copeland! Hey! You're from Copeland's camp? Where the hell is my bike? Hey, stop! What? God damn it!
I didn't take your bike, man. I swear.
I'm not gonna kill you! Stop running!
You gotta ask Copeland. I don't know nothing.
Hey! My bike!
I didn't do nothing.
Oh, god damn it. All right, now I'm gonna kill you. Boozer, you there?
Yeah, do you get your bike?
No. Copeland's men got to it before I did. Head to his camp. Beacon out. Some son of a bitch stole my bike!
You know nothing about that. You gotta go talk to Manny.
Okay. Yeah, that's where I'm headed.
Why are you here?
Hey, Manny.
Hey, I haven't seen you around lately. You've been too busy to notice. Nose down. You work hard, they feed you.
Yeah, camper's life.
Yeah, camper's life. I read a book once, Zen and the Art of Bike Repair. You ever read it?
No, I didn't have a lot of time for books back in the day.
Yeah, ran a shop, Farewell. Made all the grease monkeys read it. Being a mechanic requires great peace of mind, it said. Try working on an empty stomach. That'll focus your mind.
Manny, I'm looking for a bike.
Yeah? Oh, you don't want that one.
Why not?
It just came off the truck. I mean, some dumb son of a bitch left it out in the shit. Rusted up good. It rode hard, too. The fool that rode it didn't know shit about bikes.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Shot the hell this one. I mean, we just partied it out. I mean, it didn't even have a fuel pump. We could have used that.
Man, fuel pump like this one?
Okay.
Like this one, Manny.
Okay. See, now when I said fool, what I meant was the fools that brought that bike in. See, they didn't tie that shit down properly, so they left it like rattling around back there.
Deke,
And...
let's talk. Looks like you had some trouble. Got hit hard last night. Rippers again. Twice now they've been up here. Some say looking for you and Boozer. Out in the shit, folks say a lot of things. Folks around here take care of their own. They go enough days without food. Well, you see how it is. The lake not holding out? You get a fair amount of trout. Lake's fed by snowmelt. No one left to stock the fish. Gonna run out sooner or later. Like everything else. Used to go hunting out here with the old man. We built deer blinds out here. Put down salt licks below us. Pick 'em off clean. Some winters had so much venison we couldn't eat it all.
I didn't think that was legal. Deer baiting back in the day.
My old man had only one law, the United States Constitution. He could only see us now. America, land of the free.
We are that.
Saw Leon the other day.
Yeah?
He was bringing me something.
Is that right?
Folks here in a lot of pain, Deke.
Oh, Leon. Doug said that he took off. No one's seen him.
Tell you what. You find his stash. You bring it to me. To me, Deke. You do that, well, we'll see what we can do for you.
The bike that your men stole, that your men parted out.
Salvage, Deke. Salvage.
All right. I'll try to keep that in mind.
By the way, nice hat.
What?
No, this one.
Don't you ever touch
Now,
it.
hold on.
Leon wore a hat like this, didn't
Go, I swear to God.
Don't. You want to do business in my camp? You start doing some runs for me.
Poop. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm here anyway. What do you got?
Now that's more like it. A group of drifters has been harassing my supply runs. They've moved into the radio tower west of O'Leary Mountain. Isn't that your backyard?
No, it's not, but I'll take care of them.
I thought you might.
What do you want?
Whatever.
What do you need? What? Not enough credits? Whatever.
Yo, Deke, hold up. I just want to say how sorry I am. I didn't know, I swear.
Do you have any idea how much time I put into that bike? It was a drifter bike, Manny.
I know. I'll make it up to you, I swear. I put together a new one.
You call this piece of shit a bike?
I know. It's not... Look, I'll keep an eye out for more parts. I'll hook you up. I swear.
Okay, and what about my custom gas tank, Manny? You know, the one that I got from my dead wife. You gonna keep an eye out for that one, too?
Jesus, Deke, I'm sorry.
Just get the fuck out of my way.
I told you, I didn't... Do nothing.
Manny, just...
I got it. Give me a second.
Jesus, this isn't a goddamn bike.
Here are 3 cards that only Midnight or Menace Clash Royale. Honorable mention to the Mega Knight. He's actually a decent card right now, so I can't really put him in the list. And number 3 is the Furnace. The Furnace is arguably the worst card in the game, and it doesn't appear in any meta decks.
Booster, you there?
Yeah, Deke.
How you doing? How's the arm?
Like I said, I'll be fine.
Okay, I'm still gonna head to that Nero checkpoint, find some sterile bandages, ointment, something.
Yeah, sure, whatever. I'm gonna go out. Make sure the mountain's clear.
No, those are 3rd-degree burns. You stay there, you rest, okay? I'll be there as soon as I can.
I guess. You know, I could use something for the pain.
Yeah, I guess I'll see what I can find, I guess. This is it, the Nero checkpoint. I gotta find some shit for boozers. Damn. What's this?
That's it.
More bounties. Locked.
भाई हेलो मेरा मेरी टीम क्या गेम खेल रहे हो ठीक है गेम के बाद
Bingo. Here it is. Come on, you son of a bitch. You better start. Let's see. Should work.
second और भाई
Yeah, scrap.
आओ ना एक सेकंड फाइंड फ्यूल फॉर द जनरेटर वर्क द हेड आउट दिखाओ को जाना है फ्यूल मिल आपको फ्यूल की टंकी मिल गई गाड़ी के पास जाओ जरा गाड़ी के बगल में देखो कुछ कैन वगैरह रखा लगा तो नहीं लगा ना ठीक है तो इधर पीछे उसमें जाओ लेफ्ट में जो है ये पीछे पीछे आए ये जो नीरो का चेक पॉइंट है ना हाँ ये सामने ट्रक है ना ये लेफ्ट में खड़ा है इसके पीछे देखो टंका होना चाहिए हाँ जाओ जरा गाड़ी पे एक बार अब ना इसके नीरो वाले के जनरेटर में डालो जरा
Here we go. That's it.
हाँ अब ये नीरो का देखो जनरेटर खड़ा होगा है ना इसको क्या है हॉप हॉप हॉप
Good. Yes. Damn it. That's gonna bring them all down on me. Get in there.
Repeat, this is a federal quarantine check station, operated under federal jurisdiction.
Speakers. Where the hell are the speakers? Sterile bandages. Where the hell would they keep this shit? Yes, sterile bandages. Just what the doctor ordered. Now I just gotta get this back to Boozer. Oh, hello. What's this? Nero tank? Some sort of a injector of some kind? Why the hell not? Better living through chemistry.
Speakers! Where the hell are the speakers?
Got word a few minutes ago. The work we've been doing out here is a waste of time. Hundreds of infected people are swarming up the highway out of Farewell. There's no stopping them. Checkpoints are all over.
Shut the hell up!
You should have bugged out with your friends. Welcome to my world, you stupid son of a bitch. Okay, here we go. Boozer, you there? Boozer, goddammit, answer me. He's not picking up. Where the hell is he?
St. John, this is Cope. When you get to the tower, our radio uplink has been shut down. I'll pay you to restore it.
So these men, you know them because shutting down radio for your organs seems kind of personal.
Goddamn right it's personal. It used to be a part of my camp. See, they didn't like it. Stealing, raping, murdering.
Now maybe they're like me, just tired of listening to your paranoid truther bullshit. St. John out.
One more thing. When they left, it appears they may have stolen some automatic rifles and a few shotguns. Watch yourself.
Jesus, Cope, thanks for the heads up.
I do what I can. Go out.
Do what you can, son of a bitch. I can fix this. Good.
Hey, Boozer. I, found some shit for your arm. Boozer? Oh, shit. Boozer! Hey! Ah! Whoa, whoa! Oh, shit!
Shit, Deke. Could have blown your goddamn head off.
Look, let me see that arm, huh?
No, I got
Come on,
this.
let me see that arm.
I
Come on.
got it.
All right.
Deke. Thanks, brother. Look, I'll be better, okay? I'm gonna be fine.
Needed this. Done.
How's that, huh? Men coming! Come on! Take this!
I gotta reload.
Fire! They're hit!
Okay.
Come on out!
Not gonna move. Get it.
ये आया मैं
You don't need these. Won't be needing this.
Here you are. Gotta stop moving, someone!
A lot of ammo left.
Pull it back! Cover!
That's the last of them. Jesus, Cope, how many men have you pissed off? All right. This has got to be the generator, but it's been shot to hell. Okay. I can use these. should do it. There we go.
Drop it!
If you had bullets, I wouldn't be breathing now, would I?
Please, mister.
I don't shoot women if I have a choice. Do I have a choice?
I ain't got nothing. I got nowhere to go.
Jesus Christ. All right, let's see if they got an underground bunker around here. Might be useful. Here it is. A map. Looks like they marked it up good. Got some papers, notes on crafting. Yeah.
Deke, you there? It's probably nothing. Sounded like bike engines, riding somewhere on the mountain.
I just finished clearing the radio tower for Copeland. I'm gonna climb the tower, see if I can see anything.
Deke, you okay? You don't sound like yourself.
It's nothing. You know, I just let this drifter get the drop on me. Lucky for me, she was out of ammo.
You let her go, didn't you?
Okay, yeah, fuck. Yes, I let her go.
One of these days, Deke, that code of yours is gonna get you killed.
Yeah, well, something's gonna do it, right? Does it matter what? Deacon out. Jesus, what a climb. All right, let's see what the hell Boozer's talking about. We're right. Someone's on the mountain. I see smoke from their campfire.
Son of a bitch. I knew I heard something. Where are they? I'm gonna head out there.
No, god damn it, Boozer. Gotta get your arm healed up so we can ride the hell out of here. I'll take care of him.
Oh, shit. It's just... I'm going a little stir-crazy here, Dick.
Just try to stay awake in case they head your way. Deacon out. Almost there. Yeah, come on, keep going. Almost there. Oh, shit's killing me. Okay. St. John to Copeland's camp. It's done. The radio tower's locked down. I've restored your radio uplink.
Copy that. You may not see the value in St. John, but Radio Free Oregon is the only thing keeping us from turning into savages.
No, Cope, the only thing keeping us from turning into savages is about 9 square meals. Try going hungry for 3 days. There's no such thing as a starving patriot.
Well, sir, I hope to God you're wrong about that. Copeland out.
Radio Free Oregon. Jesus, what have I done?
Booze man, you awake? I'm heading to that camp you spotted north of the mountain.
I heard gunshots. I heard gunshots. Might be an ambush camp.
Find out when I get there. Deacon out.
Booze man, you were right. They set up along the railroad tracks.
God! Sons of bitches.
That was coming. Deacon out. That's the last of them. Stay the hell off O'Leary Mountain. Boozer, it's done. Squatter camp. They won't be doing any more killing on O'Leary Mountain.
Good. Deke, I should have been there. To help, I mean,
Shit. Just rest up, Booze, man. Rest up. We're riding north as soon as your arm heals. You got that?
Yeah, I hear you. Boozer out. You heading out?
Yeah, I'm gonna ride up to the cemetery and see if I can find Leon's stash.
Sorry. What was that?
Rest up, Boozer. We're heading north as soon as you can ride.
North. Yeah.
Could use this again.
Hey, Deke, you there? I was thinking about heading down to that logging camp. Clear out those nests. Let's see more freaks up here.
Boozer, no, you're gonna get yourself killed. You gotta wait till you're whole, brother. I'm over here anyway, so I'll take care of the nests, okay?
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Deke.
Deke, wait till tonight. There'll be fewer freaks inside those nests. Or take them out while it's still light out. There'll be more of them, but they won't be as strong.
Deke! Oh, god damn it. I'm sick and tired of drifters coming in my camp, killing folk like we were out in the shit.
What's going on, Cope?
A man come in, drugged out of his mind, shot the place up, then he just took off. Then he said his bike's got a red tank on it, and he was wearing some kind of motocross helmet, silver.
Okay, if I go now, I might be able to catch up to him.
I want him alive, Deke.
Alive?
Alive. You catch this man, then radio me. We'll fetch him and hang the bastard right from that limb. It's time we start showing these drifter sons of bitches that we have law and order in this camp. No offense meant to yourself.
None taken. I'll find him.